Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a chat application with Discord, full guide step by step clearly. To build a chat application with Discord, first, you need a Discord account. Visit the Discord developer portal and log in. Create a new application by clicking the New Application button. Enter a name for your application and click Create. On the left sidebar, navigate to the Bot tab. Click Add Bot and confirm by clicking Yes, do it. Customize your bot by uploading an avatar and setting a username. Under the Token section, click Copy to save your bot's token securely. Next, navigate to the OAuth 2 tab to set up permissions. In the Scopes section, select Bot to allow your application to function as a bot. Scroll down to the Bot Permissions section to choose necessary permissions like Send Messages and Read Message History. Copy the generated URL and open it in your. Select a server where you want to add the bot and complete the authorization process. Now, proceed to your development environment. Ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Create a new project folder and initialize it with npm init. Install the discord.js library by running npm install discord.js in the terminal. Create a new file named bot.js in your project folder. In bot.js, require the discord.js library with const, client, gateway intent bits, equals require, discord.js. Initialize a new client instance with const client equals new client, intents, gateway intent bits guilds, gateway intent bits.guild messages. Add an event listener for the ready event to log when the bot is online. Use client.on, ready, equals, console.log, bot is online. Now, add an event listener for messages with client.on, message create, message equals. Inside this listener, check if the message starts with a specific command prefix or text. For example, use if message.content.starts with hello. Respond to the user's message by sending. After coding the bot, log in using your token with client.login, your _bot_ token. Now, save your changes and head back to the terminal. Run your bot by executing nodebot.js. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.